Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find k value. Solution: k plus 7 whole square equal to 25. Here we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So k square plus 7 square plus 2 times k times 7 equal to 25. Now k square, 7 square is 49 plus 2 times 7 is 14k equal to 25. Now k square, this is 14k plus 49 minus 25. We are moving this 25 left hand side, so minus 25 equal to 0. Now we have, this is k square plus 14k, this is plus 24 equal to 0. Now here this 24 can be factorized as 12 times of 2. Also this 14 can be written as 12 plus 2. So this we are going to apply here. So k square plus 12k plus 2k plus 24 equal to 0. Now we are going to take k common out. So k open bracket, k plus 12 plus, here we are going to take 2 common out. 2 open bracket, k plus 12 equal to 0. K open bracket, k plus 12 close bracket plus 2 close bracket, k plus 12 equal to 0. Now k plus 12 we are going to take common out. So k plus 12, k plus 2 equal to 0. Now we have two equations. One is k plus 12 equal to 0. Other one is k plus 2 equal to 0. From this, k equal to minus 12. From here, k equal to minus 2. These are the possible k in first method. Now we are going to try this in other method called method 2. Now k plus 7 whole square, moving this 25 left hand side, so minus 25 equal to 0. Here k plus 7 whole square minus this 25 can be written as 5 square equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula here, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get here k plus 7, this is plus 5, here k plus 7 minus 5 equal to 0. From this, k plus 7 plus 5, here k plus 7 minus 5 equal to 0. Now this is k plus 12, this is k plus 2 equal to 0. From these two equations, k plus 12 equal to 0, k plus 2 equal to 0. From here, k equal to minus 12. From this one, k equal to minus 2. This is the same answer we got in method 2. Now we are going to try this in the 3. From this method, k plus 7 whole square equal to 25. In this method, we are going to take a square root on both sides. So 7k plus 7 whole square in square root equal to plus or minus square root of 25. Now the square and square root will cancel each other. K7 equal to plus or minus, this 25 can be written as 5. So K7 equal to plus 5. This is what? K7 equal to minus 5. From this, K equal to 5 minus 7. K equal to minus 2. From this, K equal to minus 5 minus 7. K equal to minus 12. These are the possible answer in method 3. Now we are going to verify this. The equation that k plus 7 whole square equal to 25. Here k equal to minus 2, k equal to minus 12. So applying this k first, so minus 2 plus 7 whole square equal to 25. Here we'll get 5 whole square equal to 25. Here 5 square is 25 equal to 25. So LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to verify this with the k equal to minus 12. So minus 12 plus 7 whole square equal to 25. So here we'll get minus 5 whole square equal to 25. Here minus 5 square is minus 5 whole square equal to 25. This is 25 equal to 25. So LHS equal to RHS. Here also we have verified. Thanks for watching this video.